You have got such a hot wife.
Such a hot boy.
Ew, can you stop talking like that? Shout out to everybody, each and every single one of you guys who watch our vlogs. Even if we didn't shout you guys out, well, make sure you comment down below so we can shout you guys out, man. You gotta be in it to win it.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Georgie. To another video. Yeah, only a few more days and I'm coming to Samoa, so I'm gonna miss my wife so much. Yeah, because she stayed by herself. This is the first time I leave her. Hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Give your thumbs up and please subscribe. Subscribe, guys. Stay warm. If you're here in Australia, stay warm, guys. Stay warm because it's too cold. This song's dedicated to my wife because I'm gonna miss her so much. Yeah, if you watch this video, girl, you know I love you. Yeah, but I'm gonna miss you. Gonna miss you, girl. Comment down below and give some advice for us to make it strong. Going back to a long distance relationship, guys. If you like it, subscribe. And guys, don't forget, comment down below. Tell me what you're gonna do if I'm going to Samoa. So Victoria's going to see the doctor, and I'm cooking the chicken carbonara. So it smells delicious when I cook, guys. Comment down below if you need more, or if you need to cook food for wedding or funeral, whatever, guys. Me, I'm cheaper. Yeah, it's only 4,000. Yeah, for one day. Yeah. So hope you guys enjoy this vlog. If you want some delicious food from here, I have an Uber driver and deliver for you guys. The chicken carbonara is very delicious food. So
don't listen to him.
Hope you guys...
He did not cook that food. Guys, so I quickly want to show you the result of my edges. They're a little bit crooked. It's my first time. Do keep that in mind when you drop your comments down below. I really like it.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Master George.
Baby, you didn't say anything about my hair.
Yeah, it's nice, but
don't touch it. Come back here. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. Different lightings, different lightings. They're a bit crooked, but I'll get better. I have not done these brows in so long. They're like out of shape, but I'll definitely do them before I go to Samoa. I just can't stop looking at myself. Oh my God, I look so pretty. Siaosi, you've got such a good girl. I just thought I'd let you know. You've got such a hot girl. What do you have to say to that?
Victoria, you got such a good boy. Look. If it's not good in style, but beautiful. Pull in style, but it's still beautiful. Look how beautiful, Georgie.
You have got such a hot wife.
You got such a hot boy.
Ew, can you stop talking like that?
You're such a hot boy.
We actually, I got my face ready so that we could do a mukbang. We wanted to do it with ribs, Lone Star ribs. But I've got an appointment, a doctor's appointment with my parents. Disavo. Yeah, we can make it. And I'm currently just uploading a video, probably the last one you've just seen. But we got more videos coming. I'm trying to do as many videos as possible so that by the time Siaosi goes, because Siaosi is going to go with the camera, and we've only got one camera at the moment. But when Siaosi goes to Samoa with the camera, we're trying to do as many videos so that we have a build up so that there's kind of no break, if you know what I mean. I'm super excited for the Samoan vlogs. Are you okay? You look muddy. Ja, eu já ia o cujol. Dele pe coro.
Beautiful.
Can you not?
Hey, look my app.
Look, masangido mga vele crease or email. Wala po ay mo. He's got 1 roll, 2 roll, 3 rolls.
No, that's 6 packs. 6 packs.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Keep it away.
No.
Keep it away.
What's up, guys? It's a boy, Georgie, back to another video.
You've got a darker shade face than your body.
If I
a beer.
Appear.
Appear.
Peer.
A beer. Oh! Stop. Oh. A peel. A beer. What's a peel? Stop, that's hurting me now.
Pee.
A pea?
Pee.
Yeah! We just finished the mukbang and we had the American Candy Challenge last night and I just feel like absolute crap. I haven't been for a walk in a while and just eating all that crap, I think we should give the food challenges a rest. So at the moment I'm just making up a concoction of, well, that's just water, but some of y'all guessed it, apple cider vinegar. I just feel like I just need to wash my body out of all the crap that I've been eating, and especially because I'm going in for surgery tomorrow. It's like a half an hour procedure. It's very short. Color, can you see it? Probably not as good as the naked eye. I hate drinking this. I like have to have a mental pep talk to myself. Oh, it's spilled. I hate the smell. That's like the biggest off-putting thing about the apple cider is the smell. Ready, guys? Guys, Siaosi's having withdrawals because Fortnite's not working. They just had an update and now he can't play.
Something's really wrong.
So a lot of you guys were asking what his PSN ID is. It's actually SB Squad. No spaces, just SV Squad. If you want to go ahead and add him, maybe you guys can be a squad together, I don't know. And also we just want to personally thank everybody for their love on our past 2 videos that we've posted, and especially on our candy videos. I just want to give a massive shout out to, what was her name, babe? Lani and Ronnie. I just read your comment. I mean, I haven't gone through everyone's comment, but yours really touched our heart. We were like, what the hell? Why would you do that? So basically, for you guys who haven't seen the comment, her and her husband basically were just saying to us that they would love to send us a box of real American goodies, because apparently the ones that we had were not real ones. So we will be working on a PO box given the responses that we've had. So we will be looking into it, and I think that's amazing and really lovely of you two to both suggest that. By all means, you don't have to, but if you're willing to, hey, we'll receive. And we know who our loyal subscribers are. I'm just going to go through and name a few just to give them a shout out. I know a lot of you guys also do your YouTube channel, so I think I Am Lever. We've seen her a couple of times, so shout out to you if you want to go ahead and check out her channel. Oh, one of our loyal subscribers from, like, I think we had 500 or something, 200, something like that, is Leaso. Girl, your name too long on YouTube. What's your name on Facebook? It's like Leaso something. Her and her man, you guys are loyal as well. Hey, it's Dolo. Shout out to my solo footy, Siaosi says. Babe, can you stop telling me to scratch your back? Seriously. Bree Willow, shout out to you, girl. Suka Perez. We got Rachel Schmidt. Did I say that right? Oh, Lorena Hunt, girl, you loyal. Mrs. Seva.
Everyone who comment, what do you mean?
No, I'm talking about our loyal subscribers. Also, Mex Martin, Blezen My Samoan Roots. Hello Harriet, if you want to go check out her channel too. I love her, and I just love her genuine. I've told her this so many times, and I feel the need to tell her every time I watch a vlog of hers. I just love her genuinity. Is that a word? Like, I just love that she's so humble and she's so down to earth. Yeah, I just love that about you, Harry. Huh?
Genuinity.
No. Chilton Fuimono.
Chilton? It's coming on a cave. Tilted.
No, not Tilted Towers, honey. Yeah, guys, I could go on forever and ever, and I'm not going to do that because you guys have probably already skipped already. But we really love you guys, and I honestly shout out to everybody, each and every single one of you guys who watch our vlogs. Even if we didn't shout you guys out, well, make sure you comment down below so we can shout you guys out, man. You got to be in it to win it. It's about 6:30 in the morning, and I woke up early to try and eat something before my surgery because I'll be fasting after 7. So at the moment I'm just eating watermelon. Siaosi is currently brushing his teeth so he can come up here because I forced him up here with me. He didn't go to work today because he's driving me to the hospital. The doctor said that I needed someone to drive me and pick me up because I won't be able to do that. And so he is staying home today to assist me. Hey guys, I just finished my operation and I've been here almost all day. It's now 6:30. I'm so tired. They gave me the anesthesia, something like that. Aussie's been waiting for me all day.
Yes, guys. We've been here for all day, yeah. Now just finished at 6:30. We can have more rest, more sleep.
And my throat is so sore. Apparently they had to shove some sort of tube down my throat. I just want to go home and have a shower. Can you stop road raging? Can you see I'm not well, you dumb? How can they see where my... Hopefully the next time I pick up the camera I won't be this drowsy.